Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Before we get this video started, go ahead and leave me a huge like. It'll really help me out. I want to talk today about one of the most important aspects of your side hustle as a rideshare driver, and that is promoting and learning to grow your main hustle while you're driving. Don't fall into the trap that driving rideshare full-time is what your life has climaxed to. Everyone has unique and individual talents and drive, otherwise you wouldn't be out there hustling in the first place. Even Uber and Lyft and these other rideshare platform companies advertise themselves as a side hustle. You should treat it as such. Learn to take advantage of the people who are in your car who you would probably meet in no other way in your life. I've driven lobbyists, corporate headhunters, middle school students, artists, tech mobiles, and everything in between. Learn to learn from these people and get ideas and take advantage of their knowledge so you can grow your own career. Whether you're looking for resume tips, for negotiation, tips on interviewing, you will have an opportunity, not always, but often enough, to learn valuable information from the strangers who are in your car. This video would not be complete without a plug for my very own company, what I'm trying to make one of my main hustles, the State Mate. We make state flag dress socks for all 50 state flags. The next 2 days for 48 hours, you can save 50% off everything on the entire site. Use the code down in the description. If you're finding this video a little after 48 hours, don't worry, there will still be a 30% off code for you that will stay the remainder of the time this video is up. I want to show you some cool clips of a ride I gave last week to a young advertising guru who just moved out to Los Angeles for work. Without further ado, please enjoy the video. Yeah. How you doing, my man?
Great. What about yourself?
Yeah, not too bad.
It's a nice day, no complaints. I'm new out here. I moved here last week. So.
Okay. Oh, no way.
Yeah.
From where?
Yeah, Atlanta.
Oh, no way.
This is actually where our old office was.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, that yellow building right there.
So you moved here a week ago.
Mm-hmm.
And
but I was out here like 11 times last year for
okay.
work back and forth. I was based in Atlanta. Always told myself I'd never move out here, but honestly, it's not that bad. I enjoyed a lot more than I thought I had so far.
Never in my wildest dreams thought I would live here.
Yeah. No,
like
same.
it's just not the city. Way. Like I was never drawn to Los Angeles.
Yeah.
You know, I'm from California, so I went you know, SoCal for vacation and stuff, and it was never like, oh man, I can't wait. But it's I don't know. I like it more, like you said, more than I thought.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, same. There's just so much going on, it's hard not to.
Yeah, you'll find something you like. Now, there are a lot of things I don't like traffic, for example. Yeah. You know, my wife and I joke about it. Is if there were too few people, you wouldn't want to live there. And too many people, you don't want to live. It has to be like the right happy medium of people.
Atlanta actually has that medium. I'm not
yeah.
just saying that.
No. I hear a lot of people say that. So what do you do if you don't mind me asking?
Paid advertising. So
oh,
I do
okay,
a lot of
cool.
Facebook ads, Google AdWords. Yeah, that's
nice.
I fell into it really young, pretty blessed. But
I've just gotten into it a little bit because I advertised on Facebook for my other company.
Okay, I got you.
And yeah, like it just felt really foreign. We weren't really sure like how well the ads were tracking.
Like the barrier to entry is so low, so it seems like everyone's doing that nowadays.
Yeah, it's like, well, it doesn't cost a lot. Let's just throw some money at this. But it's like, is it working?
And they make it easy. Yeah. But it's like at the end of the day, it's a very, very like easy to learn, hard to master type thing. And the platforms are always changing, so that itself is another.
Well, I've noticed that I feel like the cost per hit on Facebook is a lot more than it used to be.
Yeah. Oh. So significantly. I mean, you get on Facebook 3 years ago, your CPC was probably cost per click was probably like 20 cents. Now average is like 30, 40, and it's like that's a big increase. Yeah,
that's a lot. That's a lot, and that you know, and how does it translate into conversions? And I almost wonder if like advertising strictly on Instagram is a better use of money.
So it's worth testing, you know what I mean? The entire industry is about testing, and people hate hearing that because it's like, well, I want to know what works.
Yeah, well, I don't want to throw money at something that's
you got to spend money and test to see what works. So it's like, the Instagram placements, it's a lot younger of a demo, but I highly recommend like people shop on Instagram, you know what I mean?
Yeah. People want to be entertained and see pictures. It's what they're there for. So you throw an ad, it's a picture. It's like kind of what they're there for.
Totally. Or like video ads are just crushing.
Yeah.
Video is like the new wave. I mean, it shouldn't be, but it's like with the ad industry, you know, it's kind of everything's a bit slower. Totally. So what's your other company?
So my brother and I, we sell state flag dress socks for all 50 states.
Okay, that's awesome.
So
You guys have a U.S. supplier,
or? That's our
Combat.
goal for this year. So our socks are made in Taiwan.
Uh-huh.
The hats and other stuff is made in China. This year we want to move everything to America, and so
That's what's up.
all the sock suppliers in America, or the sock manufacturers, I should say, are all in North Carolina. For whatever reason, I don't know. I don't know if it's like where the old like cotton fields were, like historically. I don't know, but
That's funny. I'm from the South. So.
yeah. So like, but it's not all over the South. It's just North Carolina for whatever reason.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's our goal this year. So I'm gonna fly out there, hopefully at the end of the month, and just we're gonna meet with a couple. And so now we're really happy with what we're getting. You know, we kind of gone through hoops to whittle down to get a supplier that we liked in Asia, and then get a price that we wanted, and then like fine tuning that product. Now we're happy with the product, and now I want it made here.
Yeah, it's cool,
So,
man. I hope manufacturing comes back to the U.S. That'd be cool. I think it will, just inevitably, with technology changing factories and AI. And
well, for
robots.
us, it almost is more cost effective to do it here, but
Just
like
ship
because we're small batch
overseas.
stuff. Yeah, so like when you ship stuff through customs,
Oh, I know how it goes.
it's blanket fees regardless of the size of the order. Like there's import charges, this and this, and there's also like dimensional weight charges,
Potential tariffs now.
yeah.
like
So
all
now,
crazy.
I mean, the cost benefit to making it in a pretty patriotic product in
Yeah,
outside of
cool,
America
right?
is not good. Like it's not.
Or that's not cool, but it'd be cool to make it.
Yeah, it'd be great to make it here. So we do that, and
That's
so
awesome, man. What's the website actually? I'll
it's
check it out.
thestatemate.com.
The State Mate.
Yeah. So next
I
we're
like that name.
we're working on
Good site.
it's tough because so we use Wix, and we just kind of landed on Wix. I didn't like
Do you want me to give you a recommendation?
You're gonna say Squarespace.
Shopify.
Shopify.
All day, every day. I've had a lot of e-com stores, but I'm more I honestly hate to say it, but I'm more just ROI based. Like I was pretty abusive. I did a lot of drop shipping and just anything that would sell, I'd blast it.
Sure.
I'd optimize the conversions. I'd just run with it. But Shopify, every store I've ever owned, like I've had 8 or 9 pretty decent ones, and Shopify is just like the easiest, most straightforward. Anyone can hop on it. Great for customers.
Well, what I noticed is the Wix mobile interface isn't the greatest.
Yeah, I was just
and
gonna say, it's like it's kind of.
So we just like scrapped it. We're just like we'll just go to the desktop site on the phone. And I don't love it.
Yeah.
But
look at the Shopify, man. It's a great platform.
It just sucks because once you build it, to just essentially tear it down.
Yeah. No, I feel you. You recycle a lot of content onto the Shopify. Then I have a good web developer. If you need him, he's pretty cost efficient too.
Yeah, actually that might not be the worst thing. Just it's here. Well, I'm thinking of it. Or just email me something later, and then
I love the logo too.
Yeah, it's great, right?
Founding father, you got it. You guys are creative.
Yeah, so we're working on it. So we figure if we can come up with 4 or 5 of these novelty products that go pretty well, and so our goal now is to sell less on the website and just get in storefronts, which has been working. It's actually been going pretty well. Okay, so that's like our goal this year. We'd like to. What's that?
I said knock on wood.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, no, that's awesome.
So honestly, our goal is to get in 100 stores this year. So
you guys are having a lot of success out here on the West Coast.
Well,
because I'll tell you what, the South will eat that up.
So Capital Gift Stores has been pretty solid. Okay. So we figure any government-run gift store would National Park, or we do sell a lot of socks to the South though. So that is true. But it sounds like you've been in this for much longer than.
It's weird, man. Like when I say I've been.
How old are you, by the way?
20.
20. Yeah. What the heck?
No, I fell into it when I was 15 years old. I'm so blessed. I mean, I started off just messing around in high school with some friends.
I did the same thing too. I sold on eBay.
Yeah. All right, so that's how I got my start. In 8th grade, I sold. I made a deal with my parents. Everything I sell that they don't want, I get 50%, and I just
Oh wow.
I went crazy
that's cool.
on eBay.
Let me tell you a story. So when I was in high school, I would buy video game console lots, so it'd be N64 and 20 games, and then sell them out. Sell them all individually.
That's awesome.
So I just had a room. It was fun because I just have a ton of video games for every console.
Gaming yourself.
Yeah, I probably wasted way more time playing than selling, but so that's how I got into selling.
That's cool. No, so I was ninth grade, just obsessed with video games, wanted to become a professional gamer, whatever. And then I found out how to make money online, and like my entire life just kind of changed. I built up like a lot of organic social media accounts. So like Twitter, Instagram, like WTFX on Twitter, like end of the day, somehow I was just messing around and I ended up with like 6 million followers. And then I learned how to monetize that, and it opened up the doors just for so many, like, I worked with labels, artists, ad agencies, you know what I mean?
What
and then
the heck, man?
I dove into like e-commerce because I learned how to set up my own shops and sell products online, and yeah, it just like transpired into like, I'm just so blessed.
That's so crazy.
It is crazy. And then
that is such a blessing.
Yeah, I sold my network on Twitter and Instagram, all 6 million followers, and now I'm just focused on like the e-commerce, paid advertising side of things.
Sure. That's wild. So
it's wild, yeah.
So you work for yourself still, or you work for an agency? Yeah, I work for myself.
So I was out here last year. When I said that office, I was working for like a full service ad agency.
Okay.
Left that. It was a real startup. It was cool. We had a lot of talent, but the founder just wasn't too focused on which direction he wanted to run with it. We were spread really thin, but did a lot of cool campaigns. Now I'm just for myself, you know.
That's awesome.
Clients, yeah.
Tell me when.
Keep going.
Oh, okay, my bad.
Oh,
okay, right over here.
Yeah, man, I'll definitely email you my developer's contact info. Good
yeah, that's
guy.
Awesome.
He's a computer science major. He's in his last year of college.
Okay.
So he's got like, you're getting college rates, you know what I mean? And he's really talented. I mean, he's made all my websites over the years.
That's legit.
Grew up with him, so. Cool, man.
Well, it was a pleasure to meet you. Little Eric. Yeah, we'll see you.
Bye-bye.
So that's one of the blessings. If you have a business or you're trying to aspire to grow in a particular area, it's always nice to be able to drive and pick up people that, you know, can help you not only network, but just help give you some advice. It doesn't happen often. A lot of times I'm driving people who don't even talk to me or who work jobs that, you know, don't benefit me, but that's not, we don't do it solely so we can get benefits from other people. But it's really cool that, you know, we live at a time where information and people are so readily available to us if we will just open our mouth. And so, I don't know, I just thought that was an awesome experience. Whether he emails me or not, I learned something, you know, just about how I want to grow and develop my company and, you know, the direction I want to head. And I feel like he's kind of an inspiration to me. He's crushing it. He's 13 years younger than me, and he's literally crushing life because he just put all his focus into, you know, a business and an industry that I knew nothing about. Remember to subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell so you can get updates on all my future content. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns about any of my videos, my email is in the description. I'm happy to have you pick my brain. I'd love to help get you started on your rideshare journey. Thank you guys so much for watching. God bless you and have a great day.